Hello there, INFOrmed Beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today we are going to be talking about patch testing and why it is important. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is EuniyceMari and my channel is all about informative beauty from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIY, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you thumbs up this video and share me with the world, okay? So let's jump into it. Now, I've spoken about patch testing in a few videos. And why it is very important. Now, before we get into patch testing, let's talk about what patch testing is. Patch testing is pretty much taking a product. For example, we'll use the Skyn.Body Rose Quartz Oil. And let's just say you're not too sure how your skin is going to react to this bad boy. You're not too sure if you're going to have a reaction, if your skin is super sensitive. There's just some things that, you're just not too sure about. You would take a little bit of this, and usually you would either patch test it behind your ear or on the jawline, or sometimes people do it on their inner arm, okay? So you would take a little bit of that product, patch test it on an area, and wait to see if your skin has a reaction, all right? That is what patch testing is for anybody out there that was unsure. And you can patch test, I would say, with just about anything you are unsure of, especially if you are somebody who is sensitive, who your skin just goes crazy for no reason. Patch testing is very essential so that you don't put a whole product on your face, in your hair, even your eyelashes or whatever, and your skin just goes crazy. You know what I mean? So it's very important to take out the time to patch test products so that you can see how they work out for you and if your skin has a reaction. So, next, where do we go with this? I'm like lost thought. Like, that was a lot to be said, but that's pretty much what patch testing is. And like I said, it will be behind the ear, usually on the jawline, inner arm, or whatnot. Now, if you're wondering, what do I patch test, Eunice? Now that we know what patch testing is, like, what is it that I would patch test? And I would say you would patch test anything that comes in contact with your skin. Lotions, creams, serums, hair color, hair dye, anything that comes in contact with your skin that can cause you to have a reaction, patch test that bad boy. It can be from something really simple as, your local moisturizer, your local drugstore moisturizer. That's a very popular brand like L'Oreal or Olay or something, to something maybe more like hair color. And in school, we were already they taught us about patch testing and why it's important, especially to do it for hair color, because some people have a reaction to hair color. And if you put that all over their scalp, that is going to be the worst. So it's better to patch test it and have a little reaction than something all over the scalp and then it's all bad from there, okay? So you can patch test pretty much anything. I think that's it when it comes to patch testing. It's very important to make sure that your skin reacts well with the ingredients that are in certain products. We all don't know what we're allergic to. We all don't know how our skin is going to react to something. So it's very important that you do take out the time to patch test, especially if you are unsure how your skin is going to react. Now, personally, do I patch test everything that I come in contact with? No, I do not. My skin is not overly sensitive and I don't break out with a lot of things. So I'm a little bit more like I can try something and it won't give me a reaction. But I really suggest that if you are unsure or if you are somebody who has just if you don't know how your skin is going to react, it's important that you do that. Now, another thing that I also say with patch testing is with DIY projects. So if you see me make something on here and you're like, oh my goodness, I want to try it out, that looks really nice, patch test it. Especially if it's containing oils, essential oils, butters, like lemons, baking sodas. Patch test it, especially baking soda. I get a lot of comments on my video about the deodorant and baking soda. Patch test that bad boy. I probably should have said that in the video, but patch test it a little bit under your arm. See how it works, especially if you are DIYing a baking soda based deodorant, to see how your skin results. And I mean, patch testing will just save you a lot of time and heartache and everything in between, okay? So that is the video, you guys. That is the video. That is it, you guys. That is all about patch testing and why it's important to do it. And I feel like this is very important that I put out to you guys as well, because I do DIYs on here. I do suggest a lot of products, a lot of creams, deodorants, and that is one step that you can do that's going to save you a lot. So definitely you want to make sure you are patch testing your products if you are unsure. If you guys have any questions, you guys go ahead and leave them down below. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.